There are so many ways for you to make passive income, but today I want to show you the best passive income ideas for black men. What's going on, guys? It's Josiah, your success strategist, and there are so many ways to create passive income. After you watch this video, you'll walk away with a step-by-step plan on how to make passive income starting today. All I ask is that you smash the like button and support the movement. The first passive income idea I want to discuss is affiliate marketing. Now here's the thing, brothers. Why is it that we are the top consumers in the world, but we're not getting paid for the products that we use? Affiliate marketing allows us to make money every time we use a product and then we share it with other people through referrals. Now, the reason why I love affiliate marketing is because you're going to use these products anyway. So why not make money off of it? Affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to build your own products or services. You don't have to start up your own business to make money. You can already take something that somebody else has created and tell other people about it, and they will pay you just to do that. Affiliate marketing is whenever a person buys a product based on the referral link that you gave them. Every time they make a purchase, you're going to get a commission. And the number one favorite affiliate program that I love to use is Amazon's affiliate program. Now, the reason why I love Amazon's affiliate program is because people buy from Amazon all the time. And one of the greatest things about Amazon's affiliate program is that they will give you a commission for any products that someone purchases within 24 hours of the time that they bought a product through your affiliate link. So you've probably seen different YouTubers out there doing camera reviews. They're showing you all the camera equipment, the tripod stands, the batteries, and then they put all these links below the video telling you to get the gear. Every time you see a video where somebody is doing that, they're getting paid a commission. They're being paid through affiliate marketing every time somebody buys their product. Imagine that you do a camera review and somebody not only buys the camera, but they buy something totally unrelated to camera equipment while they're still shopping. Not only will you get paid for the camera, you're also going to get paid for whatever it is that they buy too. So affiliate marketing through Amazon really gives you a great chance to maximize your passive income. You don't have to be actively promoting a product all the time. All you need is to record a video, then putting the link under the video, and every time somebody buys through that referral link, you're going to get paid. I used to give out affiliate offers for my online programs. So whenever I had a membership club or a new online course, I would always offer my top students the opportunity to make money sharing the program with other people. Sometimes people would make 15% off of it, 20%. I've seen affiliate programs that are as high as 50% per product. So what I really recommend you to do is to take some time to think about your favorite products. Think about the products that you're most passionate about, whether it's supplements, books, tech equipment, gadgets, whatever it is that drives you. Take the time to write a list of your top products that you would talk about in your sleep. And then I want you to find the best affiliate programs for that product. Now, maybe you're shy to get on the camera. You don't want to do a YouTube video. But as a special bonus, I just want you to think about this. If you make a YouTube video promoting the products that you really like, not only will you get passive income every time somebody buys off of your referral link, you'll also make money through YouTube monetization. Now you've just doubled the opportunity for you to make passive income twice from one product. The second best passive income idea for black men is car sharing. Now I know we brothers, we love our cars, but imagine if we could make money off of them. Now, one of the biggest things that we all know about is Uber and Lyft. The rideshare community is exploding, but you want to make passive income rather than driving people around. And one service that most people are not aware of is called Get Around. Get Around allows you to park your car in a remote location, and you can have renters drive your car using keyless entry. Now, Get Around isn't just going to rent out the car to anybody. They're going to do a professional background check to make sure that the person that's using your car has a clean record. They're going to make sure that you have top protection so that no matter what, your vehicle is in good hands. Now, as an added bonus, I've got something even better for you. I've got something that most people have never heard about, but this is going to be big. If you're in the market for a new car, you may want to check out Tesla's self-driving cars. Tesla has announced that the owners of their cars can make up to $30,000 a year just by using Tesla's robo-taxi service. And it can ride around on its own all day. You could just use it as a rental car, and you can use that $30,000 to cover your bills from month to month. This is going to be one of the best forms of passive income. The third way that you can build passive income is by done-for-you social media services. We as Black men have spent so much time on social media, but we're not making money from our efforts. Why should we allow everyone else to get rich off of us being on social media than for us to make money ourselves? So let's take the skills that we have. Let's use our expertise and start going to companies and getting on a monthly retainer because they don't know how to use social media like you. Now you might be asking, okay, but Uzziah, how is this passive income? If I'm having to go around and work with these companies, how is it that I'll make money from it while doing nothing? You're just reaching out and contacting the companies, but you're going to work with another social media company that you know that's going to do all of the legwork. All you're going to do is reach out to the clients. And if you want to make it truly passive, where you're not doing any of the work, then you can always hire an assistant. They gather in the clients. They then outsource the work to a social media management company. And then you take the difference, and that becomes passive income flowing into your bank account every single month. It's really that easy. Think about how important social media is in this modern day, guys. Everybody needs to use it, but not everybody knows what they're doing. The fourth best passive income idea for Black men is to take advantage of this Webull opportunity. Webull is sponsoring Black men's career, and they're giving everybody that signs up for this link 2 free stocks. Click the link below and you'll be able to get 2 free stocks through Webull. It doesn't get any easier than this. The fifth best passive income idea is to own rental property using Airbnb. One of the biggest predictors of wealth is real estate. Real estate has made more millionaires than any other vehicle in the world. And what I want you to understand is that you don't have to own the property to still make money off of rental property. You can start going up to landlords and property owners and just offer to put up their properties on Airbnb because they don't know how to do it. So all you need to do is have an automated process that puts their property on Airbnb, and they will give you a check every time you do it. If you own your own rental property, just like I do in North Austin, you can use the rental income that your tenants pay you from a duplex, fourplex, or apartment complex to cover the cost of the mortgage on the investment property that you own. I recommend that you own where you rent and you rent where you live. You're going to take out a mortgage to buy the property, acquire tenants, and then those tenants will pay off your mortgage for you. But now through Airbnb, you can make more money just by having folks coming in and out of the property every month than what you could make from one tenant. Get your rental property in a good location where people are always coming and going. Not only can you Airbnb out your properties, even if you don't own your own property, you can always start contacting property owners and you can enter into a lease with them to start using it for Airbnb. Now, why would a landlord open up a lease with you to rent out their property for Airbnb with other people? Well, for one, is because in your Airbnb business, you're going to take care of all of the cleaning, which means they don't have to worry about doing that themselves. One of the biggest expenses that comes to all landlords is the renovations that they have to perform every time somebody is done with their lease. Now, if you come in and say, hey, you got this property, I'll take care of it for you, just let me rent it out to people on Airbnb, that's a win-win, because the landlord wants recurring income and they also want the convenience of having somebody else do the work for them. You will start working with people on Airbnb. You'll make sure that you have cleaning services coming in and out whenever people are done renting the property. And whatever the difference is between the cost of your lease with the landlord versus how much money you're really making from your Airbnb rentals, you're going to pocket that every month as passive income profit. Make sure that you watch the video that I did before about 3 things that every black man needs to know about passive income. In that video, I outlined why it's so important to have automated systems, processes, and teams in place to do business. By you automating your Airbnb service, you can have an unlimited number of landlords that you work with across the country who will pay you to put their properties up on Airbnb. You're going to front load the grind, and then once you have that done, there's no limit to how much money you can make in passive income every single month. So these are the 5 best passive income ideas for black men. Now, like I said before, there are a ton of passive income opportunities available, and I'm sure you guys will leave me a comment with other ideas that you have in mind. But really, the reason why I gave you these top 5 ideas is because these are core areas that we're already using. Again, think about the list. Number 1, affiliate marketing, taking the products that you're already using and making money off of them. Number 2, ride sharing. You already have a car, now you're just going to find a way to make money off of it. Number 3, social media. If you're going to be on social media anyway, you might as well have somebody pay you to know how to use it. Number 4, 2 free stocks. If you're going to invest your money, why wouldn't you get 2 free stocks? They're giving it away. And then lastly, number 5, having your own rental property where you're using Airbnb. Chances are you may have used Airbnb in the past, so you know exactly how it works. Instead of being the consumer, start being the producer. Instead of being the worker, start to be the boss. These are the 5 best passive income ideas for black men because we are already active in these spaces. So we might as well get something from it. But if you have any other thoughts or comments, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you want me to do another video about another passive income opportunity, and I could walk you through how to set that up step by step. And if you want to learn more about how to create passive streams of income, then I highly suggest that you check out my program, 0 to 6 Figures. In this program, I'm walking you through 10 different passive income streams that will allow you to make a 5-figure revenue for each stream. 10 different streams that will allow you to make $10,000 or more for each stream. So if you want to check out the program, the link is in the description below. You can also tap this card right here. And please, please, please do me a favor and hit the like button. Smash that thumbs up button on this YouTube video because that will tell YouTube to share this message with more people. If you are serious about seeing black men empowered, then please support the movement. I work really hard to put together some great content, also that you can enjoy it for free. All I'm asking you to do is please smash that like button. It will only take 2 seconds, but it'll go a really long way towards growing this channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Keep pushing.